Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to teach question number 4 from the exercise 2.4. This is for class 9 students from NCERT syllabus. Chapter is polynomials. The question is factorize. These are the given 4 subdivisions. All the given polynomials are in the form ax square plus bx plus c. We can see a, b, c are the constants and x is the variable. Here the degree of x is in the decreasing order. If this is the given form, how to find the factors? That is what we are going to learn in this video. Watch the video till the end, then only you can understand each and every step of the factorization. Now let us start. The main idea is to split the middle term. What is the middle term here? It is minus 7x. So we are going to split it, and from 3 terms we are going to bring it to 4 terms. First step is you have to multiply the first number into the last number, which is 12 into 1. Here if you multiply 12 ones are 12. Okay. As I said, we are going to split the middle term. So first you write the first term as it is and the last term as it is. Okay. Now we have to find 2 numbers. Okay. Now the sign before the last term, that is very important. You have to write it here. Okay. Now this splitting the middle term, you have to identify the number. Now look for the middle term number. What's the middle term number? 7. Okay. So what you have to do? Multiply these 2 numbers. Write the symbol which is just before the constant, that is plus. Now write only the number which is there in the middle. We have to identify 2 numbers. Let us start from ascending order. Let us start from 1. 1 12s are 12. Okay. 1 12s are 12. 1 plus 12 is 13. So this is a wrong choice. Okay. So this option is not applicable. Now let us go for the next number, that is 2. Now 2 into 6 is 2 6 are 12. When I add these 2 numbers, 2 plus 6, I will get 8. Then it is again not a correct choice. Now let us go for the next option. 1 2, now it's 3. 3 4s are 12, that is 3 into 4 is 12, 3 plus 4 is 7. Now this is the right option. Okay. So this is how you have to find the 2 numbers by trial and error method. Now we have to write this 3 and 4 here. 3 and 4. Okay. I'll remove this. Now we have to substitute these 2 numbers in the middle term. So now 12x square. The symbol here is minus. I am writing minus. Now I am going to put a bracket here. Now add the 2 numbers, that is 7x can be written as, this 7x can be written as 3x plus 4x. Okay. This is how we have to split the middle term. Now remove the bracket by multiplying, that is 12x square. Multiply minus 3x. Remove the bracket by multiplying. Minus into plus will be minus 4x plus 1. So we can clearly see from 3 terms it is now 4 terms. Now the next step is to group the terms. That is the first 2 terms is considered as the first group and the last 2 terms the second group. Now in these 2 groups we have to find the common factors. This is very important to find the common factors. Now let me tell you how to find it. 12x square. Okay. Now the next term is 3x. Let us do the prime factorization for 12. So let's start from 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. For 3 it is only 3 and 1. So now how can we write 12? 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. X square can be written as x into x. Okay. Now 3x can be written as only 3 into x. Now we have to find the common. So we can see 3 is here and here. As we don't have 2 here, we can't find the common. X is common again. Okay, it's very clear. Now we can see what are the common terms. So now take the common outside. So from this 2, so initially you can do this. Later when you practice a lot of sums, directly you can find the common factors. Now 3x is common. Okay. When you remove 3x from 12x square, what will be remaining? 2 2s are 4. into x, that is 4x. You can always multiply and check your answer. 3 4s are 12, x into x is x square. The symbol is minus here. Okay, I have removed from 3x, I have taken the entire 3x. Now what is common? We can see 1 is the common factor. If everything is removed, 1 is the common factor. We know that. So 1 is written here. Okay, the next step, it is minus here. Okay, the symbol minus I have written. The next term is 4x and 1. So write 4x and 1 here. 4x is 2 into x, right? 1 is simply 1. As you can see, there is nothing common here. If nothing is common, very simple, 1 is the common factor. We know that 1 is the common factor for any two numbers. So you have to write 1 as a common here. Okay, open the bracket like this. Write the left out terms. What are the left out terms? 2 2s are 4. 4 into x is 4x. Okay, now this is the important step here. Now instead of plus, I am going to apply minus here. Okay, the second term is the same 1 only. Okay, why I am writing minus instead of plus? When you multiply, you have to get the above terms. So minus 1 into 4x is minus 4x. If I apply plus here, what happens? Minus into plus will become minus, whereas I should get plus here. Okay, what is the right option? Minus into minus is plus. Okay, in other words, whatever there inside this bracket, the same will be here as well. Okay, we have come to the almost end of the problem. Now you can see from 4 terms it has reduced to 2 terms, 1 and 2 only. In the 2 terms, what is common? You can see inside the bracket 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 is common in both the terms. Now you can take this as common, that is 4x minus 1 is common. If this is taken as common, what is left out? The left out is 3x. The same way 4x minus 1 is common. It is taken out means what is remaining? It is minus 1 only. So we can say therefore 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 are the factors of. Second subdivision is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. The same way we have to solve this again. This is the first number, which is 2. And the last one 3. Multiply both the numbers. 2 3s are, which is 6 here. Before the last term, that is 3, what is the sign? It is plus. Now we have to think of two numbers. When we add it, we have to get the middle term, that is it should be equal to 7. Now let us start from the ascending order, that is 1 6 are 1 into 6 gives us 6. Now 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Now in the first attempt itself, we have got the right answer, that is 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. Let us split the third term and write like this, 1x plus 6x. So this is equal to first term as it is, write it, and the last term plus 3 is also in the same way, plus 7x can be written as 1x plus 6x. Okay, now we have to remove the bracket. 2x square plus 1x, plus into 1x, it is plus 1x. If it is plus, we need not change the sign, just the same, plus into plus is plus, x 6x plus 3. We have got 4 terms here. Now we have to group it. First 2 terms one group and the last 2 terms another group. Now first 2 terms, write the terms here, that is 2x square. Now we know when you do the prime factorization for 2, it is 2 only, 2 into 1. Okay, so 2 into x square is x into x. So for 1x is nothing but 1 into x, it's simply x only. Okay, 1 into x will be x only. You have to look for the common factors. So in the constants, that is 2, we don't have anything here. Now we have only the variable which is common, that is x. Okay, from the first 2 terms, we have only x as common. Okay, so now if you take x as common, what is remaining? 2 is there and x, 2 into x, 2x. Okay. Now, what is the sign here? Plus. You have taken this as common. What is remaining? That is into 1. That is 1 into x is 1 only. So, multiply this. You always check your answer by multiplying x into 2x, 2x square, plus 1 into x is 1x. Okay. The same way, let us do this for the last two terms. 6x here. The last one is 3. Okay. Now, do the prime factorization for 6. That is 2, 3, here 3, 1. So, it can be written as 2 into 3 into x. 2 3s are 6, 6 into x. Here we have got only 3. There is no variable. So, write it as it is. Now, look for the common factors. Here it is 3 here and 3 here. Okay. Now, we can write 3 as common. So, what is the sign here? Plus 3 is taken as common. If 3 is taken away, what is remaining? 2 into x, that is 2x. Okay. Plus, what is remaining here? 3 is away, it will be 1 because 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. Plus 1 here. Now, here always check your answer. 3 into 2x, 6x. 3 into 1, 3. Okay. From 4, we have got only 2 terms here. Okay. Now, what is common? You can see inside the bracket, this one 2x plus 1 is common. Now, you can take this 2x plus 1 as common and write the remaining terms. That is, x is remaining. If you remove this, it will be x. If you take this away, what will be remaining? Plus 3. So, we can say 2x plus 1 and x plus 3 are the factors of 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Third subdivision, 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Write the numerals only, that is 6 into 6 from first and the last. Multiply, it is 36. Think of two numbers having this sign, that is before the last term it is minus in mind. The middle number is here, that is 5. Okay. By this time you must be very familiar to find the two numbers very quickly. That is, I have to think of two numbers when I multiply 36. When I subtract, it should be 5. You can see here it is 9 and 4. That is 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 4s are 36. Okay. Now, this is what we are going to apply in the middle term. 6x square is the first term and the minus 6 is the last one. Now, you have to write the middle terms like this. So, I am writing plus here. Just open the bracket and write the middle terms like this. That is 9x minus 4x. 9x minus 4x is 5x. Now, remove the bracket. That is 6x square. If it is plus, the same will be there. Plus 9x. Plus into minus, minus 4x minus 6. Now, we have to group the terms, that is the first two and the last two. Now, first two, just write the terms here. 6x square. Next, 9x. We know that 6 is already we have written here 2 into 3. That is 2 into 3 into x square can be written as x into x. The same way, 9, do the prime factorization, that is 3 here, 1. 3 into 3 into x. Now, find for the common factors. That is, here we have 3 because we don't have 2 here. Okay. Now, go for the next one, that is x and x. Other than this, nothing is common. Now, what you have to take this as common? 3x from both. 3x. Open the bracket. What is remaining in 6x square when you remove this? That is 2 into x. That is 2x. Here we have got 3. So, what's the sign given? It is plus 3. Always check your answer. 3 into 2, 6. X into x, x square. 3x into 3, 9x. Okay. Now, there is a negative sign here. I am writing the negative sign. The same way, you have to write the last two terms. 4x and 6 here. Okay. Now, 4x can be written as 2 into 2 into x. 6 is the same, 2 into 3. Okay, we don't have any variable, so write only the numerals. Now look for the common factors, that is 2 here and 2 here. Apart from 2, we don't have anything common. Now write whatever you have taken as common, that is 2 is common. Now open the bracket. Write the remaining factors. 2 into x, that is 2x. Okay, check it. Minus 2 into 2x, minus 4x. Okay, now you have to apply plus sign. Why? Because when I multiply minus into plus, it will be minus here. Okay, if I am applying minus sign, it will be minus into minus, it will be plus. I need minus here, then it is plus. You can always check with the other two terms which are inside the bracket, the same will be there. Okay, now coming to the last one, we have removed 2. What is remaining? That is 3. Okay, now check. Minus 2, minus into plus is minus. 2 3s are 6. The same inside whatever you have here, the same will be here as well. Okay, now again we have got two terms. What is common? Inside the bracket, which is 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. This is common here. Now take that as common. 2x plus 3 is taken as common. What will be remaining? It is 3x. If this is taken out as common, what will be remaining in this? Minus 2. So we can say therefore 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2 are the factors of. This is the answer. Last subdivision, 3x square minus x minus 4. Multiply these two numbers, 3 into 4, which is 12. Now you have to look for two numbers. Before that, write the symbol which is before the constant, that is minus here. Okay, what is the middle term? Here it is minus x. What's the number? It is minus 1x. If it is not mentioned, it is 1. 1 into x is x only. Subtract two numbers, you will get 1. When you multiply the same numbers, you should get 12. By now you can straight away give the answer. What is that? 4 3s are 12. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now let us apply here. That is 3x square. The last term is 4. Now what is the symbol here? Minus. I am opening the bracket to write the middle terms. What are the terms? 4x minus 3x. Okay. Now open the bracket by multiplying. That is 3x square minus 4x. Next, minus into minus will be plus 3x minus 4. Group the terms, first two and the last two. So we can write the first two terms here, that is 3x square and 4x. 3 into x into x. 4x you can write 2 into 2 into x. Now what are the common factors? We don't have 2 here, so only x is common, as we can see, because we don't have 3 here. Okay, so now write whatever it is common. It is x only. Open the bracket. If you have removed x from 3x square, what is remaining? Only 3x. Okay, minus 4x. You have taken away this x as common. What will be remaining? 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay, now write the next symbol, that is plus. Same way we have to find for the next two terms, 3x and 4. 3x is nothing but 3 into x. 4 is 2 into 2. We can see there is nothing common. So if in this case 1 is the common factor, we know that. Straight away multiply and write it. 3 into x, 3x. Okay, now minus. Now check your sign. Plus into minus will be minus. Yes, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now we have got only two terms, 1 and 2. From this 2, what is common? We know that which is inside the bracket, that is common. 3x minus 4. If this is taken as common, what will be remaining? That is x will be remaining here. Okay, now the same way it is taken as common means what will be remaining? Plus 1 is remaining. Therefore we can say that 3x minus 4 and x plus 1 are the factors of 3x square minus 1x minus 4. I hope you must have understood all the 4 subdivisions which I have taught in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.